All right, let's get a look at the forecast. Hey, Sean.
All right, let's dive into this here. I'll let you know if you got outdoor plans here this evening. The next few hours, the rain right now looks like it's going to be spotty. We may have some rumbles of thunder. Between 6 and 9, the storms are going to increase in coverage and intensity over the southwestern part of the state. And then as we get closer in that 9 to 10 midnight window, scattered to numerous storms start to approach on the I-74-70 corridors, and some of those are going to be rotating here. All right, so here's some of the rain. I mentioned it's spotty, but it's got to happen somewhere. There's Frankfort, here's Kokomo and Logansport. Haven't seen any lightning strikes with this. A lot of this is what we call elevated, so that we're not really worried about anything severe from this, but it could impact some practices or games. If you're on the eastern, northeastern part of the state, you're in good shape. How about that 70 and sunny in Richmond, 68 in Indy, and it's much more humid to the southwest, and we're starting to see some storms building here near St. Louis along the warm front. So we've still have several more hours. You can see on Future Track 13, a couple of things I want to point out is the risk level. It's a low one. It's 1 on the 5 scale. And then we've got the 2 on the 5 scale. That includes Morgan and Johnson counties, Bloomington, Brown County, and Bedford. Storms are more likely to rotate in this area here, but the potential that we could get a little rotation. The farther north you go, the less chance you have for rotation, and they may just be some loud storms. They're pretty much done by 2 o'clock in the morning. Then we have to get into tomorrow. Scattered to numerous downpours, thunderstorms. Maybe not a whole lot of coverage in the morning. That will likely change by the middle part of the day. And we will be watching very closely for another batch of some wind damage with these storms that move through. And then as we go into the 7-day forecast, and we hinted at this yesterday, that we may have to adjust the weekend forecast, and we have done so based on everything that we're looking at. There's going to be an upper level system spinning around. That puts in some afternoon showers and rumbles of thunder both Saturday and Sunday, and even into early next week. We'll see you again at 4:30.